Hello, and welcome to the new episode of our series ETS for Beginners. In this episode, we will explore how to create a building in ETS 6. Let's begin with creating our building structure. We have ETS 6 open. We have just opened our first project. We are in the first tab and have one panel open here. It is the Buildings panel. Now, let's create our first building. I start with two building parts, one for inside our building, one for outside. That will make it easier to organize later. I select the inside part and add my floors. For this project, we will add a basement, a ground floor, a first floor, and an attic. Now that I have floors, I add the first room. When I start typing the room name, ETS will suggest a matching room type. We can go on and add more rooms to the other floors. Once we have all the rooms, we can add our cabinet. We find the technical room. Through the main toolbar, we can add also cabinets. This is how it is done. Now that we have a first cabinet added to our project, we can also see it in the search folders above. With the cabinets in the search folders, I can always see all devices in all my cabinets without going through the building structure. When viewing a specific room, we can change its properties in the sidebar. We can modify the room's name and type, add a description, and set a status for documentation purposes. For now, we will name it Wellness Room and will not add a specific description. We can choose a topological element for each building structure element. If we don't, it is inherited. But more on that in a later video. In our next video, we will start adding devices to our project. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for upcoming videos and download the current state of our project from the link in the description below.